Hello everyone. Welcome to day 4 of building an autonomous AI scientific research assistant. Okay, so basically, we will now discuss about the overview, basically, what this project does. Okay, so right now we are having some research papers are there. Okay, and it doesn't matter how many research papers we are trying to train our model with. Okay, it doesn't matter we are trying with one, two, three, four. You can try n number of papers. Yes, and basically what result we will get with those papers is, for example, if we are using LLMs. Okay, so with respect to LLM, when we are using those research paper, then we will be able to find the uh, exact the words, means like, for example, one research paper is there, for example, X is there, and another research paper Y is there, right? So what are the words, the headings, the titles being used in that particular X and also in Y? Then what it will do, it will compare both the papers, and it will give us the insights. Okay, these were the keywords which was used the most frequent times. So this will be the one thing. And the another thing will be, for example, if we are uploading any paper of ourselves, means like, it doesn't matter you are uploading your CV or you are uploading any books or anything, any PDF files you are uploading it. So what it will do, it will give you the insights, the title it will get, the descriptions, the keywords, the objectives. Basically, it will read the PDF and it will give the insights. So basically, these three things will be there. And again, these three things will cover, you can say, the LLM part. Some part of agentic AI will be there. Okay. Generative AI will not be there. ML will be there. Some part of neural network. So basically, there are some part, some part. Only full part is LLMs. Okay. But if you want that these things to be fully applicable, for example, you want symbolic AI as well, you want neuro symbolic AI as well, you want RAG as well. Okay. So basically, what RAG does, okay. So for example, if we have some questions, right? For example, I am assigning this particular AI to read. For example, I have uploaded some PDF files is there. Okay. And if I will ask question to my this particular AI. Okay, for example, we are uploading a book called Python. Okay, and if we will ask him, okay, now tell me, what do you mean by file handling, right? So he will generate the answers for me. So this happens when we use RAG. Okay. So again, there are various aspects of neurosymbolic AI, symbolic AI. So these all things, these 11 components should be used. Okay. So right now, where we have proceeded with is, I will just share my screen, and you can see here, like, basically, again, this is quite a huge workflow. It's like, don't just get scared by seeing the too many .py files. Okay. So these are the py files. Again, this is the basic structure. Basic structure means this is not the advanced means, like, it will show you the basic things. Okay, some part is working, some part is not working, but yes, the project, the wheel is moving now. Okay, but what we want engine, we want everything so that it can run smoothly. It's now just moving. If we are on a slope, then it will move. If you are on a flat ground, it will not move. But I've attached the wheel. Rest things are needed to be get attached. So for example, if I will use this, so you can see here my Streamlit UI will look somewhere like this. Okay, so here, if I will click on individual paper analysis, so you can see here, if I will browse the files. Okay, and for example, uh just take any PDF files. Okay.
Checking downloads.
It's downloads only. Okay. Python book is there. Okay. So basically you can see here means like right now the title, the authors, it's not being visible, but the generated hypothesis means it will tell you that what basically inside this paper. Okay. There are various things to explore again, right? There are various things that you can see here means like here insights, title, untilted document, main topic, this book is abstract about this book. You can see here key points, merging dictionary. So these all things are there, which was his key insights. So we can be able to get the key insights, generated hypothesis. Okay. So here you can get about the books. So basically, this is a basic structure of it, right? This is not what you guys want to say it, right? So this is the basic structure. More thing is needed. Okay. So if I will
More
go,
information, Avinash, more information such as.
more information means like if you want to get the if you want to get the title as well, if you want to get the authors as well, and in
So
key insights,
this
yes.
like I don't think so that this book would contain something like that, specifically mentioning that this is the title, this is the author. Maybe this is the reason we are not getting that output. But apart from these information, anything else? Like you can search for 307, that document you have downloaded yesterday.
307.
The 301, sorry. 301. Search for 301.
Which document means like I can't get you.
Like I sent you one document, right, saying that this is a research paper. We can test it with your output.
Okay, okay. Oof, I'm not basically able to find it, right. I just
Yes, the document name was
zero.
7-3-301. Or what you can do is you can re-download it. Just stop sharing your screen and then you can re-download.
Yeah. So it's being downloaded. And if I will go here, yes. Yeah, this is basically the particular document. You can see here, basically the title and authors, it's not showing. When
Okay. Mhm.
previously, yesterday, when I was designing this UI, so we were getting the information, the paper information, right? But at that time, only LLM, Agentic AI, some part of Agentic AI, some part of machine learning, and some part of DL were only working. Okay.
Mhm.
You right now you are able to see this many things, but
Lots and
yesterday,
lots of topics. Yes, yes.
yeah,
I
but
was about
yesterday,
to
yes.
ask you about these. I was about to ask you about these options as well, like functioning of these options, because our motive was just to get the insights of any paper, right? If we insert some research paper or document, we just need to get the insights. Then why these many options are there in your
Because
option list?
at the starting, it's like what we decided that we will be building a project which will contain all the 11. paradigms of AI components.
Yes,
So,
that I remember.
hmm,
Mhm.
so when I designed this project, what I found out, like we were only able to develop LLMs, and partially agentic AI was working, partially neural networks was working, deep learning, and ML was working. So these two AI components was working completely, which was LLM and machine learning. Partially agentic AI and partially DL was working. But RAG, reinforcement learning, evolutionary AI, symbolic AI, these terms, these were not working. So for that reason, I have corrected this. So that select, basically why it is used means like whenever we are developing some model. So on the very first day, if you could remember, like you have said that if you are using LLM, then at the end we have to use RAG, because RAG is a supportive hand, husband and wife, you told, right?
Yes.
Yes. So husband and wife is there. So we can't take a single person. We have to take the couple so that it can
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
shoot properly.
Okay. About RAG, I can understand. You're correct. So, like, everything should work together, right? Instead, like, you have created options here. So, my question was कि everything should work together. But here you have created options. So, I'm confused
Okay.
about this.
Everything should work together means like, see, either you will get the paper information or you will get the question answering part. Like, see, for example, if you are doing some research, okay, so ultimately, if you are doing control F, okay, then you are finding something, right? So at the end, what you are doing, you are moving to some different, it's not basically tab, but different function, which is control F. And when you are writing something in the search bar, you will not be able to see the contents which is presently there on that particular paper, right? If you haven't understood, for example, if I am searching something here, okay, if I am searching something, so I will not be able to move my contents, which is particularly in this tab. So for that particular thing, means like it is differentiated.
Okay. Okay, I understood. Like, for example, if we just want to get some information, we can use that simple paper option. If you want to ask questions, like if we have some questions and want to ask those questions, then we can use that RAG questioning answers. Then, if like we want that some similar research paper or similar kind of thing to be searched, then we should use RL paper recommendation option, right?
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. I got your point.
And everything. It's like if you could, um, in web development part also, means like when you are developing some websites, so if you have to look for some another thing, then ultimately some different JS script is working behind it, right? Ultimately, you are clicking it and you are redirecting it to some other website. It's like I'm not expert of web development. I don't know anything, but yes, I can give you the context of that. For every small thing, there is every small X path is working behind that. Behind every website, every module which you are building inside that particular website.
Okay. Avinash,
Right.
could you please explain some of the options? Like for topic analysis, what is the main function? Like, I'm not asking you to give me a detailed answer, just a small.
Topic analysis means like, see, basically in this research paper, in this project, I have used, you can see here, research collection analysis. If you'll go here, there are 19 papers which I have used it. Okay, and 19 papers hypothesis I have created it. And this topic research means Upon this total 19 papers, what are the words? Means what I am doing, I am looking for the common thing which is there in all these 19 papers.
Basically, you are somehow finding the relationship between different papers
Yes,
by
relationship.
searching for their main or similar thing. Okay, I got your point.
Yes, exactly. And if you'll go here in research collection analysis as well, what is research? No, 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 sorry. Topic analysis, sorry. Yeah. So you can see here, means like the basically the abstract word, the intelligence word, laws.
Okay, let me see. This is interesting.
See, topic one intelligence word, the topic two neuro, and concurrence of in this was 80.
Co-occurrence means basically it is the topic one of which paper? Of all the paper.
Yeah, all the
Oh.
papers. Neuro, the
Mm-hmm.
basically the topic neuro was words 80, symbolic 80.
Intelligence and neuro means like is there any relationship between the words there in topic one and the words there in topic two? For example, intelligent. Let's take an example of intelligent, and the second one is neuro. So are these both interconnected or like it's because for one column before intelligent, it is written 35. And after neuro co-occurrence, it's 80. So I'm getting confused in this output.
Intelligence here, basically you can see here 35 number of times this intelligent word occurred. Abstract 482 times it occurred. University it was 934.
Okay. And co-occurrence is means both together.
Yeah, exactly. Abstract and university it occurred 68 times. Okay. And if I will change it,
Together,
see,
together it occurred 68 times because
yes,
it is written co-occurrence. Okay.
see, neuro symbolic, these two words, it's 64.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Northeastern University 60. Abstract language 54. So basically
Okay,
this was,
like for university, there was no such word which was like common, right? Ki this specific word is coming every time. Like you can see for university, there are three to four options. One is reflection, second is princelet, and third is northeastern. And sometimes university comes in such a way that we cannot detect the prior or the after word of university. So this is the reason topic one and topic two is same, right? In case
yeah,
of university.
yes,
Hmm.
basically what it's doing, it's checking the correlation. It's like, it's not basically the
Okay.
correlation itself, but
No,
what you
coming
can,
together. Basically, the words coming together. Like how, what is the occurrence? Like, for example, neurosymbolic and intelligence, neuro symbol, intelligence symbolic. So, like, these are neurosymbolic,
yes, exactly.
Northeastern
Hmm.
University. Yes. Okay, I got your point.
And
Can
basically,
we
see,
move
I'm
on? Mhm.
what?
I was just asking if we are done with this discussion, can we move on to other options as well?
Yeah, other options basically it will not work now
Can we start
because
with rank questioning answers?
it will
Like
not
if it's
work because again,
like you
what
are
I've
still
told,
building it.
yeah, it still needed to be done. Means like yesterday I've
Means it's still in
made
progress.
this.
I understand.
Yeah, I told you, means like The wheel
Uh-huh.
is there on the track, but it will move only when there is a slope.
Hmm.
Okay, there is no engine provided such. The UI UX is created, everything, the basic is created. And you will see here, basically in the individual paper analysis as well, some parts is only able to get located. Okay. For
Yes,
example,
yes, yes.
if I will show you my resume also, like, okay. So, for example, if I'm uploading my resume here, so yesterday when I was doing such, so I yesterday I was getting the results. Why? Because only three things were getting used: LLM, ML, and DL. But right now, 11 components are getting used. So I have corrected with the things, and some part is working, some part is not working. See, you can see here the title is not there,
Hmm. Yes.
obviously. And see, instead of title, it's showing my LinkedIn ID.
Yes.
Okay, and you see the main topic, this paper focus on HTTPS. No, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, right now,
It's doing something, but it's not doing the correct thing, or like this is like we are on the track, but we have not completely built it. Yes, it's still in progress. I understood.
yeah, refining is needed. Like, basically, I have created the structure of it, but again, I have to build everything. Means, like, for example, I'm building a human body. So what I did, the eyes are on the legs. Okay, the nose is on the stomach. So these all things are there. So for that reason, it's
No,
looking like a
I'll tell
human
you what
body, but it's
exactly.
looking like an alien.
No, it's not an alien. Basically, I have done the correct work. The thing is, the eyes do not know the function of seeing. That's it. It's
Yes,
in the
exactly.
correct place, but it's not like correctly functioning. Yes, we'll do it, obviously. We still have 4 to 5 days.
Yeah. And we will complete with those. And yes, one more thing which I wanted to discuss here, that how is this working? Like, okay, if you would see here, if I will give him, okay, for example, let's try it live. You wanted rag, right? So here, what I will do, I will copy these things and I will go here and I will just paste it. So now let's see the magic.
This is what black box is, right? Which you were explaining yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. This is there. You must process the research paper first before using rag question answering or any. Just follow the steps above in UI. Just let me know. I will tell that I had followed everything, but still it's not working. See your logs. I see successfully processing PDS. And if I will do apply it, it's being getting applied. Okay, the suggest manual check. Would you like to step by step check the file? Yes, I want you to check. So basically, if we were using LLMs, so LLMs would have given me the output just like Chat GPT. That okay, this where these are the code which will help you. Okay, and here, what is this basically black box doing? Okay, you can see here it's going into my files. It's injecting into my files and it's returning the values. You can see here the code. And if I will tell you, yes, I want you to apply all these changes in my file. See, I can go here, it's review next file, and you can see here, he is updating my code in this particular file. The code has been updated so that orchestra is reinitialized. And okay, now what I will do, I will tell run streamlit. Okay, but it's already there, so I will just refresh my page. Basically, right now I have showed that the error, the question, it's everything. It will automatically handle it. You don't have to write everything from scratch. See, it's not loading, so I will tell him I don't have to run. I will tell him run streamlit app.py file. So the results varies with the type of network connection you are having it, right? So for that reason, you can see it's getting delayed, but till now it might have happened like yesterday when I was executing, I was getting results within a minute. So it might happen that my thing, but yes, it will work good.
So, can you please repeat your last sentence? Maybe like your voice was breaking. Like you said that um, sometimes yesterday you were getting the results in a minute. Today, like it's taking time. After that, whatever you said, I was not
Yeah,
able to hear.
yeah, it's taking time today. So basically, what I wanted to discuss was that this particular black box, how it's been working, how it's worked. Okay, and why my voice got lagged because right now my system is being populated with all those AI tools. So for that reason, I might think my system will get crashed, but yes, it didn't happen. At some point of time, means like I was not able to move my cursor as well. Okay, 2, 3 minutes ago, it was just moving like this. Okay, so yes, these all things were there, and tomorrow means like what we will do, we will come up. I will just try solving. It's like I will just move forward with what I had performed today, and by tomorrow, it might happen that we will come up with more the things. You can see here, the window is not responding. Okay, so basically my system got crashed. So this might happen. Okay, so I will just close it and I will, and yes, definitely we will have some different UI here and we will be able to get much more insights, right? So yes, this was for today and see you tomorrow then. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind.